hollow in my chest. Every step a shadow, I'm never at rest. The echoes of my thoughts, they consume me. Oh, an emptiness that lingers is devouring my soul. Can't escape the void, it grips so tight. Fighting with the darkness, lost in the night. Emptiness inside, it's tearing me apart. Like a thief in the night, it stole my heart. Searching for a way to regain my grind, but it's hard to breathe with this emptiness inside.